Hello, beautiful kids. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. So, today we draw fruits' name and we learn fruits' names. So, let's get started. First, we draw here apple. Now, we draw two eyes of apple. And the next fruit is banana. And the next fruit is pineapple. This is pineapple. Now we use different colors to fill our fruits. We use here green color. Next we use red color because apple has red color. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell button to get the notification of the next video. This is yellow color because banana has yellow color. Now we use light green color on the upper part of the pineapple. And the lower part we use light brown color and mix it with orange color and yellow color. Now we use here some orange color and mix it well with light brown color.